You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
If you watched my last video, you know that this car is still undrivable right now. Today is not about the 1 Series, although I am going to take these 437Ms and finally put them on the 1 Series. Yeah, so it's going to be a bit until we get this thing back up and running. Just got to wait on the brake lines, and then of course we're going to drop the subframe. And I think I'm going to build the subframe while it's out, so maybe I'll do some content on that. But also I'm going to get this thing off the jack stands, and then also install the little goodies that I have for it while I'm waiting for it to run again. But question, should I install the headlights, the new headlights? Comment down below. These are all the rusted parts that literally came off the car. You can see these were due for a good replacement. To be honest, the front pads had a good amount of life left, but it's good to just swap out everything. This car is so lucky to have come to an owner like me. The fact that I'm willing to even put in this work to refresh this car, no better home to go to. Honestly guys, I'm thinking what happened with the brakes and me having to wait and now drop the subframe, swap out the brake lines and all that stuff, it was a blessing in disguise, because when I was just underneath this car, I was realizing that a lot of stuff, I was gonna drive this car like blindly after I put the new brakes and whatnot, but like a lot of stuff needs to be really serviced. I think I need a new water pump for sure, because just underneath, like I seen like a seal was broken, like, and like there's shit everywhere, like you can see. I don't know if you guys can see how dirty that is. It's like that underneath. This also failed. Probably gonna go an aluminum one. As you can see, it's getting into the wires and whatnot. So your boy has a good amount of stuff I should be doing to this car just to get it back on the road. And honestly, the 3-week wait time for that brake line gives me more than enough time to basically tackle what I want in the engine bay while we wait for that brake line, and then we can also take care of the rear suspension and build it back up pretty good. Like I said, I might go cheaper on like the control arms just because I want to get on the road and I don't want to spend too much money, because I still got this bad boy we're trying to get on the road this year. I just wanted to drive decent and well until this is done and I'm not worrying about the wagon and I can literally go all out. In the meantime, it would also take care of all the rusted parts. I think it'll be a good idea. Also, man, the red brakes was a nice touch. What do you think, Rusty? Rusty, you like the red brakes? You don't know. This car has been on jack stands for like 6-5 months, and today's finally day that it's dropping. I was doing all that rambling about what was wrong with the car, and I didn't even realize that my valve cover is, the gasket's pinched. So that's probably the main issue with this car. But honestly, that's not the main problem for today's video. Today is about the wagon. So in case you are new to the channel, my wagon, I literally just completed a B58 swap on it. I just recently tidied everything up and basically got it ready and good to go. If you didn't know, I am also doing a F80 swap on it, so that's why it's not on the road yet. And I know people are asking all the questions about when it's going to be on the road, but literally doing an F80 build on it, and we are waiting for those parts to come in. What I did do a couple of weeks ago, I bought an F80 cluster and I sent it out to my coder for it to be coded to my car. Now I got that back a couple of days ago, and here it is right here, just a little dirty from the packaging. But F80 cluster, I got it used off of Crash One. So I need to link this down below in my description. In order to run an F80 cluster on your F30, any F30, you need to buy this adapter to run it. Now, this adapter is from Beamer Hub. I think it's 250 bucks this ran me, but this is what you need in order to run an F80 cluster on your car, because if you don't use it, you would have a transmission fault, you would have tons of different faults that your car would read, and this won't accurately display everything it needs to. So super quick install for today. It's pretty much straightforward. I mean, everything's just plug and play at this point. But man, this car's slowly coming together. This plugs in like that, and then I'm assuming this goes into the cluster. I'm not sure where this is gonna hide behind it. Like, I don't know if I have to tack it up somewhere or what, but yeah, and then those two are for right here in the rear. So yeah, let me go ahead and plug that in right now, so I don't have to worry about it when we put it in the car in a few seconds. You guys should know T20 screws for the win, always with these BMWs. I loosely put this one up together. I can't find my sockets, that's why I'm using this one. It's honestly too long. Let me see. Way too long. I'm honestly just gonna remove my steering wheel, cause I don't even want this headache. Okay. Pull this out like so. Okay. Boom. Just like that, F30 cluster is out. Weird thing is that F31 comes with these two connectors right here, and the F80 one comes with an extra connector right here. See that blue one? But I'm assuming we don't need it, because my car doesn't come with it. I'm gonna have to see while driving where everything goes, but this one connects to this right here. Hopefully I don't scratch this right now. Boom. Bingo. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, look at that M logo. Oh, we got a drivetrain malfunction again. Wonder why. Not working. Okay guys, so apparently I fucked up. I didn't see anywhere that you had to do this, but when you plug in this new one, you need to lock your car for 20 minutes. So I did not know that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it back in and lock it, probably go get some food, eat real quick, and I'll come back to it right after. Hey Siri, start a 20-minute timer.
20 minutes starting now.
It has been well over 20 minutes. So I still got drivetrain malfunction though. Let's check it out. So guys, I hooked up with my coder and he told me to remove the adapter and plug in the clusters to see if it works, and it works. So it's definitely the adapter, but I don't see what could be the issue with it, honestly. I don't know if like one of the pins are bent or what. So she works without the adapter, but I need the adapter in order for everything to work. So just gotta figure that out, but that works. Let me see. Doesn't show drive, so that's why I need the adapter. Alright, my apologies guys, my camera died mid-sentence. So it was showing every gear but drive. But honestly, I think we found the issue. So on the harness itself, pull these wires back. It looks like, I don't know if that can pick up, but yeah, these pins are loose. So definitely got to fix that. Probably push them in, call it a day. Let me see if this focuses. Alright boys, so I just peeled back this a little bit and pushed the wire connectors back in. Yo, my coder is so clutch because I guess he used to sell these and he knew the problem right away. So shout out to you as always, my guy. Okay guys, I got everything back installed. Now you have to let it lock for 20 minutes whenever you do the adapter. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this door and we'll be back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up and she definitely works because this never did this. So hell yeah, let's go. Turn her on. Alright, let's just do the test. Drive. There we go. And manual sport. Second. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Alright, sweet. Super stoked. We got the new F80 cluster installed. I think the next thing I want to do is probably the shifter, because they have also an adapter for the shifter, and the shifter's not, I've been checking on eBay, they got one for like 80 bucks, but it's like really scratched up, and they're around like 150 bucks. So the adapter is also 150, so $300 you get the shifter and it'll have everything F80. I think so. So if you're looking at getting an F80 cluster for your F30, it definitely is possible. Just know that you need to get it sent to a coder to have it coded to your vehicle, and also you need to pick up that adapter, and I'm gonna link that adapter down below in the description. Build's starting to come along, man. I hope you guys are starting to see a little bit into like my vision for this car, because I'm telling y'all it's gonna be nasty when it's done. But I'm just glad it's all coming together, even like the little pieces. It's the little minor things that count when it comes to building something like this. So I never showed you guys. It works with your sport buttons. So that's what the adapter's for. As you can see, Sport Plus, Sport, Efficient, all there, all works. No complaints. It looks really good, and it's a simple, easy mod if you want to just spice up your interior a little bit. That's gonna be all for today's video. Do a quick little video for you guys, but I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.